This modern 4-bedroom semi-detached home that I'm about to show you today
is in the ever-popular market town of Wragby, which has great local amenities and excellent road and public transport links to local schools and into Lincoln city centre. Let's go and take a look inside. You lead into this entrance hallway, you've got stairs rising to the first floor, a really useful ground floor WC and a living room through here. Let's go and have a look. You lead in from the entrance hallway into this good-sized living room, which further leads into the kitchen diner. This really good-sized kitchen diner has this modern shaker kitchen and access to the rear garden. There's a pathway leading from the side of the house into this great size enclosed rear garden, which is predominantly laid to lawn and has got these French doors leading into the kitchen diner. This home offers 3 double bedrooms and a single bedroom which could also be used as a home office. The modern family bathroom has a white 3-piece suite. Now you've seen everything that Sawmill Lane has to offer, to arrange your viewing, please call us on 01522 275 102. Take care.